Hi creators, I'm Anne of Anne Again Creates, and today I'm doing an unboxing of a quilling kit that I ordered off of Amazon. And this kit is by Yurroad, and it didn't have a ton of reviews, but I was just so intrigued by it because it was only 27 US and it comes with all this stuff, including a bunch of like quilling tools that I don't have that I want, like the quilling comb and a crimper and one of those peg boards and an electric rolling pen. I'm so curious about that. So this is what it looks like, and it's also a little fancier than I'm used to. I've got these other kits before that are just they just come in a plain cardboard box, and this one is looking a little fancier. I don't know if that means that the items are going to be fancier or better quality, but it is interesting. And so anyway, I'm just so curious about this kit, so let's open it up and let's see what we get. So here's the Yurroad paper quilling set. There's just this one piece of tape here. Alright, so this is the electric rolling pen. Interesting. I think this is a tray for glue. Glue bottle. Looks pretty typical. Here's the crimper with two different sizes. Alright, we'll do the paper next since it's on top. What the heck? I can't tell the difference. Okay, so I think these are all 5mm. And the long strips. I think these are also 5mm, just shorter strips. These are definitely wider. I would say those were 10mm. These are also 5mm. These ones are 3mm. Circle template, mold. Another circle template, but this one you can stick pins into. Curling coach, bunch of pins. Got a couple of slotted tools and a quilling needle. Scissors. These feel pretty good. They don't look like super duper clean, but they feel pretty good and they look like they're gonna be pretty sharp. All right, quilling comb. Let's open this one up. Gosh, this is gigantic. I think this is bigger than what I want. And I'm not sure, but these might like be for some more circle template things. Whoa, interesting. I am not sure what this is for. Pretty sure this has a use though. I have to say I'm not sure what to make of these tweezers. They're just automatically closed. Like in order to open them, I would actually have to use two hands. Okay. Let's open this up. This says it is coordinate setting for quilling only. Quilling only, guys. I'm already like thinking, what else can I use this for? Because they're saying for quilling only. Oh, they gave some material. This looks like it would be for bookmarks and for a card. And this is like just straight up paper. Ooh, textured paper. Interesting. I wouldn't have thought of including textured paper into a quilling set. Oh, no, it is textured on this side, a little smoother. Okay, and just straight up smooth cardstock. These look like some templates, project templates. So we have the lady template and what it could look like, different basic quilling shapes there. and some instructions in Chinese with some pictures. Okay, lady, unicorn, and let's see the instructions. Oh wow, that's pretty nice. Looks like the same instructions. A tree. There's a picture and the same instructions. See, all you need to do is just do 6 steps to make anything. Flowers. Oh, I love you. And gosh, those do look pretty nice. Flamingos. Mermaid. And the last one is another I love you. Oh, a box of chocolates. Wow, that's pretty exciting. Okay, so I wanted to take a closer look at some of these things. This looks like a circles template, pretty much for making the same size coils. It also has these notches on the side, which I'm assuming is for grabbing it out with your tweezers, although I don't know who has tweezers that big, especially like this one. And with these tweezers that they give you, I'm not sure if it's gonna work with even the smallest one. Look at that, I can spread it out. Oh, maybe you just have to stretch them out. Look, it's staying open now, it's not closing. Okay, I'm gonna have to work on these. So here is the mold that they provided, and I was kind of excited for it. It looks pretty standard, but if you look at these bumps, they are a lot smaller than the mold I already have, which is this one. Let's look at it from the side. That bump is so tiny. I wonder if it's actually going to do anything. But I do make some pretty small, tight coils, so I'm curious if I'll actually make it mounded or not. Yeah, crimper. I've actually never used a crimper before. Let's pull into my scraps bag here. I'm assuming we just put it in the middle. Don't turn that way. Here we go. Got it in. Turning it. And it's like a pasta machine. Oh yeah. Definitely high texture. That's cool. Okay, let's do the lower one. Okay, suck it in there. Turn it towards me. And there's the bigger crimp. Let's see here. Oh, I think I love it. Yeah, that's fun. I'm interested to see how it would do with like two strips glued together, you know, and then pulling it through. I'm assuming it would do just fine. I like that. I like it a lot. Ooh, and the bumpy. Ooh, the bumpy. Okay, smile happy on that one. Okay. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna have to put in some batteries. Twist open, really? Okay. Yeah. Then what? Not sure what's going on. Please don't break it. How do I open this? It just says twist open. Do I keep twisting it? I don't think so. I think I just have to push it off more. Please don't have broken it. Looks like I need some AAAs. Be right back. Sounds super cute. It's a cute little motor. Got a purple strip here. Which way does it turn? It turns towards me. So if I'm holding it this way, it turns towards me. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, that was so fast. Okay. Let's straighten it out and let's try it again. That was a little bit scary. Slow. I'm gonna get a paper cut, I think. Hold it like this, maybe. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, it's fast. This thing is super fast. Like, I have zero control as it's spinning. Okay, that was after messing with the strip a few times. Let's get a new strip. Let's try this again. And then we're gonna let it loosen into a loose coil. Sorry, here we go. Oh, it is so stinking fast. Dang. Oh, that's beautiful. And I did not get a paper cut. So I think maybe the way to do it is just to hold it a little bit. That is nice. Okay. Loose coil. Not bad. Not entirely even. And I did mess up on it, so we'll try one more time. Let's see, what color should we do this time? How about an orange? And I'm going to try and hold. Here we go. Look at that. That is nice. Flat. Look how shiny it is. It's so flat. All right. Now we let it loosen, and that's what it looks like. Tell you what, if you have to do big coils, or maybe a billion coils, this would be awesome. But for my tiny coils, it might be overkill. Okay, I am still very excited to have this, just to own it. We'll see if it actually comes in handy for me. For other people who are doing like a ton of larger size tight coils, this would be amazing. Or larger size whatever that you use with loose coils, right? And look, no paper cuts. Did I already show this? I think I already did, right? Oh, I'm gonna open it and make a mess. It's scary. Oh, I see. See the drawer on the back? There are the things, there's the pegs. So like, I don't know, see if they can stick in pretty well. They're little metal pegs, so they do feel pretty sturdy. And I like having this little hidden drawer. Very convenient. Well guys, I think that I am pretty excited for this kit. This crimper seems like it'll be really fun and add some really cool texture to the quilling projects. I'm really debating whether or not I think that this will be useful to me or not, but I am pretty dang excited just to have it. This quilling comb. Like if you put the strips way down here to try and like, you know, get it even against the bottom, you're gonna have to take it off all this way, like in 3 inches. Maybe it won't be a problem. Maybe I'm worrying for nothing. And of course they put like cute little ears on here. That's kind of adorable. You get a lot of paper, different lengths and different widths. Get a bunch of different tools. You know, these are kind of the more advanced things. And then you get some basics. For those beginning and testing things out, you don't have to think of your own project. You don't have to have that, you know, writer's block of what should I do. So that is pretty cool and that's pretty nice. And these are all pretty thick papers, so it will stand up to the glue. So, oh, that is one thing though. Like they provide a glue bottle, but there is no glue. No glue, so you'll have to provide your own glue. So here's an overall shot of everything that I got in the quilling kit, which is a lot. All the project templates, the background paper, the bookmarks, all the tools, basic and advanced, and all of the paper strips. I can always use more paper. So I do think that I am going to enjoy this kit, and I give it a thumbs up. Now remember, I haven't used any of it besides the crimper once, so this isn't really a review, but I am excited to use it. Thanks for joining me today, everybody. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.